Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting into the right place. Open Roblox Studio or the game client and sign in. Once there, make sure emotes and chat are enabled in settings so you aren't blocked later. Next, locate the chat box or emote wheel. This is where you'll insert emoji. If the experience supports slash commands, learn the /e shortcuts now. They are faster. Doing these steps first prevents permission errors and gets you ready to add emoji immediately. Now you add emoji to your messages. Open the emoji panel or click the smile icon in chat and pick the symbol you want. If the game accepts text shortcodes, type them exactly like wave, or paste a Unicode emoji directly. This matters because some places accept only one method. For animated emotes, use the /e or /emote commands and include the correct name. This triggers animations rather than static icons. Make sure to watch how others send emoji so you match the expected format. Finish by sending a test message to confirm the emoji appears for everyone. If it doesn't show up, check why. Content filters, account restrictions, or platform limitations often block emoji. Once you've identified the constraint, apply the right fix, adjust privacy, or use alternative shortcodes. If display issues persist, clear your cache, restart the client, and update Roblox. These steps resolve most rendering problems. One key tip:
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.